Hello friends, if you are one of those people who have difficulty in getting sleep at night, then today's video is going to be very important to you. According to the National Sleep Foundation, 30% to 60% of people have occasionally sleeplessness and 10% to 15% of people regularly suffer from this problem. This is a detailed video on sleeplessness, which we also called insomnia. In this video, we will talk about what is insomnia, what are the causes of insomnia, what are the symptoms of insomnia, what are the different health problems that you may suffer due to insomnia, some amazing home remedies for insomnia. Before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel for such amazing videos and press the notification bell for regular updates. What is insomnia? If you have any of the following things such as sleep problems at night, frequent sleep disturbances at night, waking up too early in the morning and difficulty sleeping again, then you may be suffering from insomnia. What are the causes of insomnia? First, consumption of tea or coffee before bedtime. Second, excessive intake of alcohol. Third, changes in the environment or weather. Fourth, mental disturbances such as anxiety and stress. Fifth, pain in the body. Sixth, incorrect eating habits. Now, what are the symptoms of insomnia? Laziness or feeling lethargic all day, irritability and very quick temper, difficulty in concentration, mood swings. What are the different health problems that you may suffer due to insomnia? High blood pressure, heart-related problems such as stroke, diabetes, gastritis, and thyroid. Now, let me tell you some amazing home remedies for insomnia. First, mint leaves. Boil 3 grams of mint leaves in 200 ml of water for around 2 minutes. Sieve it and then add 2 spoons of honey to it and drink it before going to bed at night. If you drink it regularly for 3 to 4 weeks, it will definitely help you with insomnia. Second, Brahmi and Ashwagandha powder. Mix 1 teaspoon Brahmi powder and 1 teaspoon Ashwagandha powder in 2 cups of water and boil till it is reduced to half and drink it every in the morning. Third, banana and cumin seeds. Put powdered cumin seeds on a chopped banana and eat it before going to bed. Fourth, sleep at a fixed time daily. Fix your bedtime and try to sleep at the same time daily. This balances your biological sleep cycle and keeps you away from the problem of insomnia. You might face some difficulty in the beginning, but doing so over a period of time will make it a part of your daily lifestyles. Fifth, wash your feet and massage the soles with sesame, coconut or mustard oil daily before going to sleep. This improves the blood flow in your body and removes fatigue. Making this your daily habit will help you to get rid of sleeplessness. Sixth, avoid watching TV, mobile or working on a computer late at night. Seventh, avoid the consumption of coffee, tea and alcohol at night. Consumption of these things 2 hours before bedtime should be strictly avoided. Eighth, do exercise regularly for 30 minutes every day. If you want, you can also do yoga. It helps a lot in dealing with insomnia. Ninth, always keep your bedroom room calm and dark before sleep. This will help you to fall asleep quickly. Positive thoughts. Always have positive thoughts in mind while going to sleep. It will keep your mind calm and it will help you fall asleep soon. Do not sleep during the day. If you are one of those people who love sleeping during the day, then you need to give up this habit, as this habit may be one of the reasons why you are not getting sleep at night. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.